these two things are very important. You must have a good quality knife and a good quality chopping board. These are two very important. They take care of each other. And the cookware, it's really preference. I think it's very hard to say. Like, for example, I'd say fried rice, right? But look at how Uncle Roger is dissing everyone in the West about fried rice. But what I'd say is, just don't be afraid to fail. If it screws up, it's okay. Do it again. And you'll get better. It's really just as simple as that. It's not so much about mistakes in more than it is understanding. Like, understanding of the equipment, understanding of the knife, the chopping board, and all these things. I think normally because when people think of home cooking, they always get the most chincai. Chincai maya katola. As long as it's sharp, you can cut, then buy the plastic board. It's very tidak apa kind. And then they would look at price, and maybe they do not understand why they need to pay so much for a chopping board, or why they need to pay so much for a good piece of knife. But if they can understand the why, then it will make their cooking much more pleasurable. It'll make their cooking much more efficient, and they will enjoy the whole of it. Hi guys, I'm Sherson Lian. Level up on the table with me on Saturday, 28th November at 11 a.m. on Facebook Live as I host a virtual cooking masterclass. Join me as we cook something delicious together. See you there.